Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a very nice video on how to grow microgreens at home. Before that, to all those people who have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you Herb India for sending this across to us. So we are so excited to make a video on this. Herb India is a startup that deals in hydroponics and on how to grow microgreens at home or in greenhouses or in windows. So we came across their profile on Instagram and they were very kind enough to send us their product. So there are three small pouches of radish seeds and this is the soil packet. I hope this is organic soil as it is nowhere mentioned the soil content. Let's see what's beneath the box. Okay, there's one more soil packet. So there are three sets of seeds and three sets of soil packets. So this set comes with a instruction set which explains the complete process, how to grow, when to harvest and how much to water. So that is very helpful. To all of you who do not know what microgreens are, so basically microgreens are vegetable greens harvested just after the cotyledon leaves have developed. They are high in nutrition content more than their fully grown vegetables. So they are also known as superfoods. So I've read the complete instructions and now let's get started. So this is the top tray. It has three ropes and three holes on each side. So that is for the water to drain to the bottom tray. The ropes have to be put this way and this goes on top of the bottom tray. Like this. It fit perfectly, so you don't have to do anything much. This is a very simple process. So now what I'm going to do is take a glass of water and add on top, or you can do is just take the bottom half and just add in water into that. That will also work fine. I'm waiting, since I put the water on top, so I'm waiting for the water to go down. A laborsome process. So now let's take the soil packet. We can open the soil packet and spreading it evenly in the middle tray. And the texture is pretty nice. The soil is moist. So we add in the soil and spreading it evenly in the middle tray. So they have given us three sets of radish seeds and three sets of soil. So each cycle of microgreens takes around 7 to 8 days. So for one cycle use one packet of seeds and one packet of soil. So we have taken the first packet of seeds and first packet of soil. So this is the radish, these are the radish seeds. We're going to open and spread them evenly on the soil like this, the way I'm doing it. So I have finished evening out all the seeds in the soil. So I don't want my microgreens to be growing at one location, so I want them to be evenly spread out in the entire tray. So that is the reason I asked all you guys to just spread the seeds evenly. So finally I'm going to add 1 glass of water. I'm going to wet the entire soil and the seeds. All the excess water is going to get drained and collected in the bottom tray. So while germination, if the seeds need water, they will absorb it from their moisture through the threads, so they do not have excess water. So we're going to keep this in the sunlight on my window and we'll wait for it to germinate. Day 1, as you can see, some seeds have germinated, very little, they are like small sprouts. And do not confuse microgreen with sprouts, as sprouts do not have leaves. And also do not worry if your seeds do not germinate on the very first day. It takes time, at least wait till the second or the third day. So this is day 2, not much of a difference. The size has not increased. Please check your water. If the water has finished, then please add water by removing the top tray and add 1 glass of water to the bottom tray. This is day 3. Most seeds have germinated, but I find all the seeds are coming at 1 or 2 places together. I did spread the seeds evenly throughout the tray, but I don't know, this seems so clustered. Let's wait and see how it grows. Today is day 4 and I can see major changes. Some of the microgreens have grown in length. Please keep checking your water and adding. Today is day 8 and my microgreens have fully grown. Sorry for not recording days 5 to 8 as I didn't want to make the video very long. And finally we have reached day 9. My microgreens have fully developed and ready to harvest. They grow to 3 to 4 inches and harvest cycle is around 7 to 21 days after germination of the plant's first true leaves, and it also depends on the variety of seeds. So I will be using a scissor to cut my microgreens 1 inch above the soil rather than plucking them completely with the soil. This is a much cleaner process. Microgreens are rich in potassium, iron, zinc, magnesium and copper. They also have beneficial plant compounds like antioxidants. So the most common types of microgreens are cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, radish, lettuce, carrot, and even cereals like rice, oats can be grown into microgreens. I will be making a very easy and simple salad recipe using the microgreens that we have grown. So stay tuned. So here I've taken some mint leaves, 1 onion, 1 tomato, few chilies, freshly harvested microgreens, and a bowl of sprouts. So I'm taking the sprouts in a huge bowl and I'm going to add all my ingredients to it. First goes the microgreens, Once you harvest the microgreens, just rinse it into underwater, cold running water. Here goes my chilies, my mint leaves, my onions, and my tomatoes. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey, just for sweetness for it, and a pinch of salt, just for the taste. And mix it thoroughly. I'll chuck this spoon away. I'll mix it with my hand, much better. And my salad is ready. I hope you guys loved our video, and I hope you guys gained some knowledge from this, and if you do so, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.